If all goes according to plan, Barbadians at some point could be enjoying locally made furniture featuring coconuts. Here's what Chief Executive Officer of Export Barbados, Mark Hill, had to say on the matter.
We're using coconut lumber. They're elderly folks who have a coconut tree that is being a house bug, to have a concern, they feel it may fall in the house. They call, we cut down the tree, plant 2 trees in its place, and then we mill it down to lumber. And the reality is that we now got new furniture designs that are being made, and recently we submitted some of our coconut lumber furniture designs to a show in New York, and we were shortlisted and asked to come and showcase. So we're right now working to showcase those new furniture designs, sustainable furniture designs in New York. This is one of the biggest furniture design shows.
Following that overseas event, there are plans for furniture manufacturing training to be rolled out locally.
We have a furniture cluster that's coming on stream shortly, so we're working towards that. And we also have looking at the grasses, so the persons like Erika Jelani that normally makes baskets, but what we're now saying is, like, from a sustainable furniture perspective, how can we use this to make like shades and bed heads, and using grasses now, not just for baskets, but bar stools and stuff like that. That has that sustainability, recyclability component to it.
Officials also have plans to advance the coconut industry, particularly at Newton.
We're taking the coconut waste, we'll be milling it down, we'll be feeding it into a biodigester. So we are 80% through in terms of the construction of that biodigester overseas. So it is pretty much finished. Then it's being implemented alongside the tensile structure, and that will be feeding in front of the grid. That will be feeding and providing the cooling using the coconut waste. So a full circular economy. So the tensile structure is actually a circle, reflecting the whole commitment by Barbados to the circular economy.
Local furniture manufacturing was a flourishing sector for many decades, with several pieces prominently featured in homes, businesses, and retail stores. However, in recent times, imported furniture has gained prominence. Reanne Phillips, CBC News.